Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So website search, SEO, and user experience. So in today's small tutorial, I show you how to improve web page speed in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, all we're gonna do is actually open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of that. Go all the way to look for Wix dashboard. So basically go to Google, look for Wix, then go to wix.com, make sure you log in using your email address and password. Then basically this is the dashboard you're gonna be looking for. As for now, we're gonna tap on settings or the gear icon. Basically it's named settings. Look for enabling performance settings. You should also turn on Wix built-in performance optimization. So you can basically optimize images. So we're gonna go and look if we can see optimization, checkout, customize your checkout form, set policies, manage order emails, and even more. Not for me now, but we are looking for the performance settings. It's basically this website performance settings. They're gonna tell you adjust these settings to improve loading time and choose the best overall user experience for the site. Make sure you enable it. Then you optimize the images using a smaller image sizes, avoid any uploading huge file, let Wix auto compress images, then reduce the animation. Since too many effects basically would ruin the speed or would slow it down. Basically you should also limit any apps, remove the apps you are not using, use the lazy loading. Wix automatically loads images only when needed. And that's basically it. That's the main idea. So generally, if you are having some apps that you aren't using, you should avoid them. Activate the performance mode on your website. And if you're still having some problems, you can always contact the support, send them emails, screenshots, or whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.